Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you what to do if your Revolut physical card is lost or stolen. It's very easy, I'm going to show you. Don't worry, just open up the Revolut application. Once you're inside the app, go to the home page. On the home page, go to the top right corner of the screen to this little card icon. Once you open that, you will see all your cards connected to your Revolut account. You can see your virtual cards, your physical cards, and obviously we are talking about being lost or stolen. That must be your physical card, so select that. Then go to the settings menu. Inside the settings menu, scroll all the way down through the security tab, and the last two options are going to be the ones that you are interested in. You can either terminate your card so it won't work anymore, so if it's stolen no one can use it, or you can tap on replace card, and this way you can also select which option happened if you have lost it or if you are a victim of fraud or theft. And basically you can just give these details and Revolut is going to send you a new physical card in a couple of days. If this video was helpful for you, please consider sending a super thanks donation.